Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic text opening using only the photo effect on CapCut. So first you can just start by using a black background from CapCut, then just add your text and pick your favorite font. Okay, I'm using this one, Oliver. Adjust the size, and now you can choose the style or effect that you want. I'm going to go with this one. Click on a check icon, then export screenshot this text. Okay, now start a new project with the screenshot that you saved before, this one, and then just click on this and then just go to effect, photo effect, and use the cosmic effect here, and just wait until it's fully generate the effect. And here you are done, and you'll get this cinematic text opening. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe, comment, click on a thanks, and click on a thumbs up button. Bye.